Today I'm going to show you how to use the calendar block in Squarespace step by step so you can turn your events page into a clean monthly calendar layout. This is a really useful feature if you want visitors to quickly see what's coming up, browse event dates at a glance, and make your site look much more organized and professional. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace website and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Pages. This is where all of your site's navigation and content pages are managed. Once you're inside Pages, look for Main Navigation. Next to Main Navigation, click the plus icon. This will let you add a new page or a new page type to your site. From the available options, select Events. Squarespace will create an events page for you, which is the section you need in order to display your upcoming events properly. If you already have an events page set up, you can use that instead. The important part is that you're working inside the main events landing page layout. Now open that events page and click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into the page editor, where you can customize how the page looks and functions. Once the editor loads, hover over the events area itself. When you move your mouse over that section, you should see editing controls appear. Look for the pencil icon also labeled Edit Section and click it. This opens the section settings for your events layout. Here, you'll see a layout drop-down menu. By default, it may be set to list, which displays events one after another in a vertical format. To use the calendar block style, change that selection from list to calendar. As soon as you do that, Squarespace will instantly transform your events into a standard monthly grid layout. This calendar view is great because it gives your visitors a much clearer visual overview of your schedule. They can see which days have events, jump between months, and understand your availability much faster than with a simple list layout. If you're running classes, workshops, live performances, or appointments, this can make a huge difference in how easy your website is to use. If the calendar doesn't look exactly how you want right away, you can go back into the section settings and fine-tune the page design. You may want to check spacing, event details, and how much information is being shown in each calendar cell. That way, your calendar stays readable and matches the overall style of your Squarespace website. And that's it. You now know how to use the calendar block in Squarespace and switch your events page from a list view to a monthly calendar view. It's a simple change, but it can really improve the way your site presents events. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.